Sugar Lake is. It's beautiful.
Welcome to the Unexpected Off-Road. Today's journey takes us on a washout that has recently been repaired, some epic waterfalls, an amazing campsite at a glacier lake. If you like what you see, please smash that like and subscribe button.
That bank looks like it wants to slip away any day.
Yeah. I'll just stay over to this side.
Yeah.
This kind of looks
Fresh. This looks like
This-
to me where it is. This looks to me what gave way. I bet you this side will.
Here's a washout.
Yeah, this is looking like it here. Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna bet you the river just took this whole, came in and just swiped it all out.
This was a pretty major washout. This had completely taken the road out, and there was no way to pass. And they came through and just fixed this right before we came through.
That's
This road was quite bumpy through here, just from where they had just laid down the road.
found it.
Wow, it's fucking way out here, man. So what happens on a lot of these roads is the drainage pipes underneath the roads gets plugged up with rocks and builds up pressure and then takes out the entire road. Wow, wants to come down it?
Yeah, they must have like rerouted somehow. Oh yeah, probably right here. And it came down here.
Yeah.
For sure what happened. Yeah.
Huh.
That's crazy, man.
This road off to the left here is the heli ski operation, and they were up here making repairs to the lodge. And with that major washout, they were actually stranded up here, and that's why they came through and fixed the road. Off to our left, we got a small little waterfall.
Oh, that lake is so cool. Damn. See, it's blue even now.
No,
That's crazy cool.
this is probably one of the best campsites you're gonna find in BC. I don't know how you could find a better one than this, with the creek coming right next to your fire pit and a beautiful view of the lake. Just kick back and relax and listen to the sound of the water. Ever wonder how we find these awesome views? It's roads like this, just random roads that take you up to a cut block. This road was fairly wet and definitely soft. Any softer than this and we would have had problems. Should we go any further? What do you think?
I would, but I mean, I don't want to tell you to do anything that you're not comfortable doing. That. So, I feel like I've been scaring stuff with you. That's a sick view. You really get the whole glacier. No doubt about that.
Already here.
I like it when Mike's ballsy.
Well,
It's fun.
if this was slicker,
I wouldn't do it either, yeah. Any more mud, you
if I start to sink,
Yeah.
I'm done. We'll stop here. And this is the parts of British Columbia that you just have to get out and see. Find a road and get yourself up into these views. This next waterfall that we go to had quite a bit of water flowing through it, and it was amazing to see.
Like, look at that rock.
Thanks for coming along on our adventure today. If you like what you see, please give us a like and a subscribe. More videos out soon.